Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rename your TREZOR Model T. To rename it, go to Settings, then go to Device, and now as you go to Customization, you can simply rename it. So I'll just enter some sort of name. It has to be the maximum of 16 characters, can be longer, so you can see it's too long now. I'll just do HardReset.T. Let's save the name. Now you need to confirm it on the device. And it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.